Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the CVC number on your debit card. The reason you'd want to know this is that the CVC or card verification code is essential for completing online transactions. It's a security feature that ensures only the cardholder can make purchases with the card. This video is perfect for anyone who's new to online payments or unsure where to find the CVC number on their debit card. This video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way into the end to learn how to find the CVC number on your debit card. So once you have your card ready, you want to make sure that one, it is a debit card, and two, it's the correct card. You'll get your card out, and of course I have my information covered up, but yours won't be covered up. Right here will be your name, and it will be your 16 digits, sometimes 12, sometimes 16, mainly 16, but it will have your code right here, your account number, whatever. Sometimes it'll be on the back as well, but what will always be on the back is the CVC number, and that is what this tutorial is about. So you'll flip it, and it will be this 3-digit code right here. So the way that I remember it is that there's the black scan bar always at the top, and then it's always going to be the 3 digits that are underneath it right here. And really, that is all there is to it to find your CVC number on your debit card. So now that we're done with the tutorial, here are some tips. Tip number 1 is the CVC number is typically a 3-digit code located on the back of the debit card, usually near the signature strip. Tip number 2 is if you have an American Express card, the CVC might be a 4-digit number on the front of your card. Tip number 3 is never share your CVC number with anyone unless you're making a secure payment on a trusted website. A fourth and final tip is if your CVC is scratched off or ineligible, contact your bank to request a replacement card. And with those tips and the tutorial out of the way, that's really all I have for this video. If you did find this tutorial helpful, please be sure to drop a like on this video. Also, be sure to share this video with a friend or a family, really just anyone. And most importantly of all, be sure to subscribe for more future tutorials. And with all that said, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.